The Joyin Water Slide is the perfect solution for backyard water fun. It is 22.5 feet in length and 62 inches in width, making it suitable for kids aged 5 and up. The slide includes 2 inflatable bodyboards, a built-in sprinkler system for maximum wetness, and a splash pool at the end for a refreshing finish. Made with thick, heavy-duty PVC, this water slide ensures the highest quality and durability, making it perfect for summer parties. Its vibrant design and simple setup with included ground stakes make it easy to maintain and provide endless fun with minimal hassle. The Joyin Water Slide is ideal for kids of all ages, offering a fun and safe way to cool off during hot summer days.
Laughter echo, kids want more. PVC that's thick and strong, built to last all summer long. Rip guards keep it safe and sound, endless joy on solid ground. Oh! Slip and slide through the water spray, Joyin Slide will make your day. With bodyboards, fun galore, laughter echoes, kids want more. Sprinklers high, the fun's begun. Every slide a burst of sun, and splash pool, cool and sweet. Water fun can't be beat. Slip and slide through the water spray, Joyin Slide will make your day. With bodyboards, fun galore, laughter echoes, kids want more. Joyin Slide, summer's dream, water fun, a joyful stream. Backyard bliss, kids at play, Joyin Slide, your perfect day.
Ready for the ultimate backyard fun? Click the link in the video description to buy the Joyin Double Lane Water Slide on Amazon. Bring home the excitement and create unforgettable summer memories. Don't miss out, get yours today and let the good times roll.
Set up, just unroll, connect the hose, let water flow. Ground state